Today I'll show you how to pull a branch from remote on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go to the far right and you're gonna see where the icon that displays your display images. You click on it and you go to repositories. Now on the repositories, we're gonna look for the project that we want to pull from. So we have this project. It has 3 branches, and when we go to our local code, so this is the project that you saw. Locally, it has just 1 branch, and what we want to do is we want to pull a branch from the remote. That's from the project itself, from GitHub. What we're going to do is we're going to type in git fetch, and this should fetch all of the data that's on this remote from GitHub. And as you can see, after fetching, we have the code here, and when we checked again, we had just 1 branch. But once we checked out to the other branch that was on the on GitHub, now we've been able to switch to this other branch, and this has test.md. Now that's how you pull a branch from remote on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.